Hi guys, my name is Brittany and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back with you guys filming, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I filmed for you guys my evening shower routine, which I'm super excited about because I went and purchased the entire line of products from Tree Hut, their Tropic Glow collection, and I'm going to be using that in my shower. I like my showers to be hot and steamy. It just relaxes my muscles and just helps me feel relaxed after a long day. I'm going to turn on my aromatherapy. I have the scent eucalyptus mint going, and I just love it so much. And I'm going to first by starting out with my base soap. This is the Pan-Oxy bar soap. It has 10% benzoyl peroxide in it, so it definitely helps if you have any type of body acne. And I just like using it first to just help get that first layer of dirt off. And after I get all rinsed off, I'm going to then take the body gel. This is a sparkling gel body wash. Look how pretty it is. It's like gold and glittery. And I'm going to wash my body with it. I love it because it does have pistachio oil in it. And it smells so good. And I just love this body wash. It's also supposed to firm and tone. Now here I'm going to go ahead and wash my lady parts. And then I'm going to go ahead and exfoliate with the Sugar Baby Pure Kojic Acid Scrub. Look how thick and creamy this scrub is. I just love it. It definitely left me feeling soft and smooth. It definitely helped with getting that first layer of dead skin off of your body. I promise you won't regret it. I'll leave it linked in the description box below so that you can purchase yours. And I'm going to scrub my entire body with this stuff. As you can see, I had it everywhere. And this also helps me prepare to shave. And I'm going to also be taking the Tree Hut Tropic Glow shaving oil to shave my legs. This scent smells so good. This oil made it so easy for the razor to just glide across my skin. I really love this product. I highly recommend it. Just give it a try and incorporate it into your shaving routine. You see how easy it just glides on. And I also shave my arms. As you can see, I don't like having hair on my arms, so I shave those as well. And I always shave in a downward direction. So now that I'm out of the shower, I'm feeling good, I'm hydrated. I'm going to now use the body butter, the Tropic Glow body butter, to moisturize my entire body. I smell so good at this point. And this also has the pistachio oil in it, and it just smells so good. I like doing these routines because I know I'm gonna sleep good tonight when I'm all soft and shaved and exfoliated. And I'm gonna lock that in with the body oil. Look how shiny my skin is. My skin looks so good. It's glistening. And that is it, you guys. After I put that on, I get my pajamas going and I get into bed. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.